In this video, I'll show you how to gift a Peacock subscription. Step 1. Visit the Peacock gift card page. Go to Peacock's official website and locate the gift card or Give Peacock section. Choose the subscription type you want to gift, for example, a monthly or annual subscription. Step 2. Provide recipient details. Enter the recipient email address where the gift card will be sent. Add a personalized message to make your gift special. Step 3. Complete the purchase. Review your order and confirm the payment details. Once purchased, the recipient will receive an email with instructions to activate the subscription. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, please subscribe, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below and I'll be happy to help you.